Good morning, my dear students. It's me, Sudarshan sir again. Okay, now we'll deal with GK. 5 units we have already completed. Now 6th unit. Take your book, pencil, whatever you need. Okay, and take notes. Okay, good students. Let's start the class. Great National Parks. Okay, that is the unit name. National parks are enclosed land areas established by governments. National parks are established by government to protect the plants and animals that live there. Okay, they are preserved natural habitats. There are more than 1,200 national parks in over 100 countries. How many? 1,200. More than 1,200. Which national parks are described below? Below few national parks are mentioned. We are going to deal with that. Okay, first. It is one of the largest national park of Britain and receives about 100 million visitors a year. What national park it is? They will tell about that. We have to say the name of the national park. Okay, it is one of the largest national parks of Britain and receives about 100 million visitors a year. What is it? We'll see. Down, for spelling down only we should refer. Okay, this one. Option 1, Lake District National Park. Okay. First one answer is Lake District National Park. Okay, we'll go for next one. This vast park in Tanzania is one of the Africa's most popular tourist attraction. It has many wide animals like wild beasts, gazelles, zebras, lions, elephant, giraffes, etc. In Tanzania it is. What is the name of the park? Second one you see. Serengeti National Park. Okay, see the spelling. Okay. Third one. The Canadian Park was established in 1922 and spread over an area of 44,807 kilometers square, stretching across forest, plains and lakes. How many kilometers? 44,807 kilometers square, where it covers forests, plains and lakes. Okay, it boasts of largest herd of wild buffaloes on earth, and as well as endangered species like whooping crane. Okay, it has very dangerous animals like whooping crane, and also it has very large amount of buffaloes. What is the name of the park? Wood Buffalo National Park. Down you see, third one. Wood Buffalo National Park. Okay. For each and everything, refer the answer which is down there. Only then you can write the correct spelling. This is the largest national park in Alaska. Alaska, where it is? USA. It contains many peaks and glaciers. Some of them are highest than 4,800 meters. Okay. What park it is? Wrangell St. Elias National Park and Preserve. Wrangell St. Elias National Park and Preserve. Okay. Next question. Fifth. Set up in 1872, this park in the Rocky Mountain area of the USA is known for its hot springs and geysers. It is set up in 1872. Okay. In where it is? In USA. Okay. What park it is? Yellowstone National Park. Name of it is Yellowstone National Park. Okay. Sixth one. These volcanic islands situated on the coast of Ecuador serve as the national habitat of many rare birds and animals like giant tortoise and marine iguanas. Okay, many rare birds. Okay, and giant animals like tortoises and marine iguanas. Okay, what park it is? Galapagos National Park. Okay, fine. We'll go for the next unit. Wait, students. Seventh unit. Harvest Festival. What are the different type of famous harvest festivals celebrated around the world? Okay. Although harvest festival differ from community to community, each community celebrate different type of harvest festival. They usually involve exhibition of seasonal crops by farmers. They usually do an exhibition. Okay. The local people dress in their finest clothes and celebrate together. That is the main thing. The local people dress well and then they celebrate together. Okay. Given below are descriptions of some harvest festival. Use the given detail and clues to identify them. Okay, we will identify them. Write everything clearly, students, because you have to take a snap and send to me. First one. Celebrated in South Korea and North Korea. When it is celebrated? September or October. Reason why it is celebrated? Good yield of crops. Okay. What is the festival name? We will refer in the answers. Don't refer here. Refer in the answers. First one you see. Chuseok festival. Okay. Mark it down. Next question. Celebrated in Belarus, Russia, Ukraine. When? August 19. Reason? Harvest of ripe fruits. These are the ripe fruits, especially apples. Apples is ripe fruits, right? Okay. What is the name? We will refer down. Savior of the Apple Feast Day. What? Savior of the Apple Feast Day. Okay, next. Third one. Celebrated in tribal regions of West Africa, Ghana and Nigeria. When? August or September. Reason? Harvest season of yam. Okay, what it is? The answer is Yam festival. What festival? Yam festival. Okay, next one. Celebrated in Japan. When? Mid-January. January middle. Reason? Harvest of rice. Rice harvesting. Okay. What festival? Fourth one answer you see. Kosagatsu festival. Okay. Can you see clearly? I hope so. Next question. Fifth one, this one. Okay. Celebrated in eastern and southeastern woodlands of North America. Eastern and southeastern woodlands of North America. When? Late summer. Okay, after summer. Reason? Harvest season of corn. What festival? Green corn festival. Down you say. Green corn festival. Okay, next one. Celebrated in Barroso Valley in Australia. When? Held biennially in odd numbered years. 2003, 5, 7, so on. In March or April. Reason? To mark the completion of vintage season. What festival it is? Last one. Barossa. What? Barossa, the festival. So it is Barossa. Barossa Vintage Festival. Okay. Celebrated in Barossa Valley. So it is Barossa Vintage Festival. Okay. We'll go for the next unit. See, 8th unit, just quit it. Next class we'll see. Not this class. Okay. Next class we'll see. Now take 9th unit. We'll go for directly 9th unit. After 7th unit, directly we went for 9th unit. Okay. 8th unit, next class we'll see. 9th unit. 7 wonders from the past. From the past, what are the 7 wonders? Okay, we'll see. Given below are the description of 7 wonders from the past. When the picture of each architectural wonder, can you name them? They will give the description. We have to name the park. See, wonder. What place it is and what is the name of the wonder. Place they will give. We have to just give the name of it. Okay. Built 2006 BCE to 1644 CE. Those many years they built this. Okay. Location: North China between East and Northeastern China. There it is located. Built mainly by the first emperor of China. Many emperors built it, because from 2006 BCE to 1644 CE they have built this. Okay. Location: northern China between east and northern central China. Okay, it covers very big area. Built by the first emperor of China, Qin Shi. Mainly built by, not only these guys, mainly built by the first emperor of China, Qin Shi, Huang and the Ming dynasty. These are the main guys. Okay. Description: it was built to protect land from Mongolian and other attackers. At that time only war was famous, right? War was held, right? To protect themselves they have built this. It will be very long and height. China Wall. Most of the students know China Wall, right? Okay. Fact: it stretches over thousands of kilometers from Shangyiguan in Shanghai Guan, learn it clearly, in the east to Lupnur in the west. What is the name of it? We know very well. It is nothing but Great Wall of China. Okay. Oh, 1 minute, students. Okay, second one. See, for this and all, you write the spelling by yourself, because it is not given in the book. Great Wall of China, I will spell. If you have any doubt, you write and note it down. GREAT, great, space, WALL, wall, space, OF of China, CHINA, Great Wall of China. Okay. Next question. I know you guys are big students, you know the spelling very well, but once I will say. Okay. Second one. Built 70 to 80 CE, very earlier, 70 to 80 CE. Location: Rome, Italy. Built by, construction began under Emperor Vespasian. It was begun under Emperor Vespasian. Okay. Description: also called the Flavian Amphitheater. It was the largest outdoor theater and one of the finest example of Roman architecture and engineering. Famous for Roman architecture and engineering. Fact: it was the site of mock naval battles. Many battles took place here. Okay. Combats between gladiators and wild animal fights. People also fight, wild animals also fight. What is the name of it? Colosseum. COLOSSEUM. Okay. If it is speed, just pause the video, listen it again, write it clearly with correct spelling, and then play the video. Okay. Third question. Built around 2950 to 1600 BCE. Those many years they built. Location: Wiltshire. Where? England. Built by no one knows, unknown. Description: a prehistoric stone structure made of huge rock, huge rough cut stones. Okay, huge rough cut stones. Fact: at sunrise of midsummer day, the sun shines directly along the avenue to the heel stone. Okay, what is the name of it? Stonehenge. STONE, stone. HENGE. Again I'll say STONE. Don't leave any space, just continue. HENGE. STONE Last time I will say STONEHENGE. Okay, students. Where it is there? Location: England. When it is around 2950 to 1600 BCE. Okay. If the sunrise comes, it will directly fall on the avenue. Avenue means that area with trees and everything, to the heel stone. Okay. Next one, fourth question. built. Work started in 1173 CE. Location Pisa, Italy. Built by. The first phase of the construction is built to have been accomplished by architecture Bonanno Pisano. He started it. First phase was done by him. Bonanno Pisano. Description. The bell tower was the final structure of the cathedral complex. The bell tower was the final structure. Fact, the tower is leaning about 4.4 meters from the perpendicular as it was built on unstable soil. The tower is leaning about 4.4 meter. Okay, from the perpendicular as it was built on unstable soil. It was built on not stable soil, unstable soil. But still how many meters? 4.4 meters. What is the name of it? Leaning Tower of Pise. It is in Pise, so name it is as it is. Name is given as it is. Leaning Tower of Pise. Who started it? Pisano. Okay. Next. Built 1412 CE. Location Nanjing, China. Nanjing, China. Built by Emperor Yongli. Who built? Emperor Yongli. Description. It was 8-sided structure made of white porcelain bricks. 8-sided structure. It was 8-sided structure made of white porcelain bricks and soared to 79 meters. Bigger than the last one. 79 meters. Fact. A part of it was destroyed during rebellion in 1853. In 1853 rebellion, it's one part of it was destroyed. Okay. What is the name of that tower? The same thing as of the place. As of the brick used. What brick it is used? Porcelain. So the name is Porcelain Tower of Nanjing. What? Porcelain Tower of Nanjing. Spelling for porcelain. 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 Tower of Nanjing. 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 Okay. It is given in location also. Note it down. Porcelain Tower of Nanjing. Okay. Final one. Last one. Discovered in 19,000 CE. Location Alexandria. Where it is? Egypt. Description. Its name translates as Mound of Shards. It is called as Mound of Shards. Okay. The place used to contain a heap of broken terracotta pots. It's nothing but clay pot. It contains of many clay pots. We know clay pots, right? Clay pots. And utensils. Clay pots and clay utensils. Fact. It was discovered by chance when a donkey accidentally fell into a pit. When a donkey accidentally fell into a pit, it was discovered. What is the name of the place? What is the name of the wonder? Catacombs of Komal, Shogopha. Catacombs of Komal, Shogopha. It is a little difficult, I think. I will spell so that you can easily understand. Catacombs. CATACOMBS. Catacombs of Komal. KOMEL. Komal. Com is different, L is different. I pronounced single, right? It is different actually. Different words. Again I will say. Catacombs. CATACOMBS. Catacombs of Com. KOM. One space. Then EL. Okay. Then one space. And write SHOGAFA. Shogopha. SHOGAFA. Now I will pronounce correctly. You listen. Catacombs of Komal Shogopha. Okay. Actually, it is not last one. One more thing is there. Down. This is the last one. Okay, we'll see this and we'll wind the class. Okay. Built between 1532 and 1537 CE. Okay, 5 years they built it. So 1532 and 15 CE, many years they built it. Now both are CE only. One CE is given, so 5 years only. Okay, location. When it is built between 1532 and 1537 CE. Location: Constantinople, New Istanbul, where it is Turkey. Okay, built by architects Anthemius and Isidore. Who built it? Anthemius and Isidore. They are the architects. Description: it was constructed as Christian cathedral. Initially it was actually constructed as Christian cathedral on the order of Emperor Justin I. Under whose order? Whose rule? Whose order? Emperor Justinian. Emperor Justinian I. Okay? Okay. Fact: its name is a Greek phrase which means holy wisdom. Okay? In Greek it is known as holy wisdom. It is one of the oldest cathedrals of the world. It is one of the, there are many cathedrals in the present world, you know very well. This is one of the oldest cathedral of the world and a remarkable piece of Byzantine architecture. It was a remarkable piece of Byzantine architecture. Okay? Okay. Okay, students, these are the things for today. We have saw 3 chapters. Actually, it is 6th chapter, 7th chapter. Wait, once we'll see. 6th chapter we saw, 7th chapter we saw, and then we directly went into 9th chapter. We didn't see 8th chapter. 8th chapter later we'll see. Okay, these are the lessons for today, students. Take notes clearly, write it with a good correct spelling. If you have doubt, pause the video and play it again. Okay. Okay, take a good notes and take a pic and send me, that which you used to do regularly. Take a pic and send me so that I can easily find what are the things you have completed and how you have written your spellings, everything I can note it down. Okay, take a pic and send me. Okay, students, and learn this. That is the homework. Learn everything. Whenever you have that homework time, learn these things. Okay, take care, students. Take care of your health. Enjoy your holidays. Meanwhile, study well. Bye. Take care.